Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're talking about soliciting a trespass, a legal concept that might sound complicated but is actually quite simple. In short, soliciting a trespass is the act of asking, encouraging, or commanding another person to illegally go onto property where they don't have permission to be. You're not the one physically trespassing, but you are the one who instigates it. The law doesn't just punish the person who hops the fence, it can also hold the person who told them to do it responsible. The core idea is that you can't use someone else to break the law for you and expect to get away with it. For this to be a crime, you typically need to have the specific intent for the other person to commit the trespass. It can't be an accident or a misunderstanding. You have to clearly communicate your request or encouragement. Let's look at a few examples to make this clear. A simple one might be your frisbee landing in your neighbor's yard. If you tell your friend, "Go on, just hop the fence real quick and grab it," you have technically solicited a trespass. While the consequences might be minor, the act fits the legal definition. A more serious example would be a business owner telling an employee to sneak onto a competitor's property after hours to take pictures of new equipment. Here, the intent is malicious, and the legal penalties would be far greater. We also see this in the context of protests, where a leader might direct a group to occupy a private building. That leader could be charged with soliciting a trespass for every single person who follows their direction. The reason this is illegal is to hold people accountable for the crimes they cause. The law recognizes that the person who masterminds the illegal act is a crucial part of the offense. The penalties can vary greatly depending on state law and the specifics of the situation. Soliciting a trespass into an open field is viewed very differently than soliciting a trespass into someone's home, which could be tied to much more serious charges like burglary. The bottom line is that the person doing the soliciting can face fines or even criminal charges, sometimes as serious as those faced by the person who actually did the trespassing. The key takeaway is to be mindful of what you ask other people to do. Urging someone to enter private property without permission is a legally risky move that can get you into serious trouble, even if you stay a block away. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more straightforward explanations of legal topics. We'll see you next time.